TRHA contract workers will be paid arrears. Improvements coming to the island's telecommunication services, and new Chauvin lights to be tested tomorrow.
Info
Update,
bringing you the latest news, views, and reviews,
along with responses,
comments, and events
affecting you.
brought to you by the Information Division of the Tobago House of Assembly.
Good news for TRHA workers, as they will receive arrears payments. Amadara Mills has the details.
Public servants at the Tobago Regional Health Authority, TRHA, have already been paid 50% of their arrears from the last salary negotiation period, but no decision had been made on similar payments to contract workers after the Tobago House of Assembly was advised by the Chief Personnel Officer that those on contracts were not entitled to arrears. The Chief Secretary Orville London says the THA sought legal advice on the matter, which it received earlier this week.
And that opinion indicated or advised us that we should pay the monies or the arrears to the contract officers. Following on that, we met today and the Executive Council took the decision to confirm the payment of the arrears.
The funding is already available but had not been released for payment. However, this will soon be done following the Executive Council's decision.
During the course of this week, of course, the TRHA would be able to double-check the various payments, and hopefully by sometime in the next week or two, the payments should in fact be made.
The Chief Secretary says he has been in contact with the Minister of Finance, who is expected to announce soon how and when the final 50% will be paid to health workers across the country. I'm Amadara Mills for Info Update.
Within a month,
Better
Tobago customers will be able to
telecommunication
transfer their
services for
phone
Tobago are
numbers
on
when
the way.
changing
Cindy
service
Freitas
providers.
brings us
It's
the
one of
story.
several changes coming to ensure the island benefits from better and more consistent service. Chief Secretary Orville London and Secretary of Infrastructure and Public Utilities Gary Melville met with the Telecommunications Authority, TATT, earlier this week. Mr. London says he's being assured that better coverage will soon be on offer for Tobagonians.
And therefore, we got a commitment from TAT that what they're going to be doing is to have a minimum level of coverage if providers are going to guarantee that their license will be preserved. And we will, of course, be looking forward to ensuring that that is enforced.
The island will also soon have greater access to internet services through the introduction of Wi-Fi hotspots across Tobago, through providers B-Mobile and Digicel, as well as through a national program.
Obviously, down the road, we're looking forward to the situation where Tobago, as part of the goal of being an intelligent island where Wi-Fi can be available at every location in Tobago.
Mr. London says this will happen in phases, beginning in the coming weeks. I'm Kern de Freitas for Info Update.
The Division of Infrastructure and Public Utilities will conduct a test run of the Chauvin traffic light system tomorrow. The system is currently being installed, and once this process is completed, the lights will be tested for the entire day. This is being done to ensure the electrical, technological, and the safety features of the system operate as required. Drivers and pedestrians are being asked to pay attention to the traffic signals during this period. And that's it from all of us at the Department of Information. I'm Caroline Wallace, and you've been listening to
Face to
Info
Face,
Update.
Tobago House of Assembly. The conversation continues at the Pan Am Building in Crown Point, involving communities accounting to you. A special invitation to residents of the Canaan Bonaccord Electoral District on Thursday, August 25th at 7 p.m. Get involved, make your recommendations, contribute to the development of your community and your island. Join the Office of the Chief Secretary as we celebrate 54 years of independence on August 31st. The Tobago Independence Day Parade starts at 8 a.m. at Bacolet Grounds, next to the Dwight York Stadium, and will travel along Claude Noel Highway to the Gardenside Car Park. Cannons will be fired during the national anthem. The Independence Day fireworks display will set off from 8 p.m. at Fort King George. No vehicles will be allowed in the area. Come celebrate Independence Day with us.